So friends, now in the previous video we have completed all this menu, and this menu are responsive also. When I was reduce, let me just say here, when I was click here any of the link, and let me show you, when I was click on the reference, then all this reference menu will be display, and when I was click on this tutorial section, then all this tutorial will. Now we have completed this top section. Now we go on the next part, our this header one, this learn code, this section. Let's in this video we have cover all this from the top to bottom. First of all, we make our this response mobile version. After that we make a desktop. For that, let me just reduce this screen width. Here see, first of all, I think I want to make this will be approximately yeah, this one, then okay. Now as like this one, I also reduce my screen. Let me just crop close this. Yeah, now it will be approximately 432. Here I want to also make a 432. Yeah, now see, now for that, let's first of all come in the index.js. In the previous video I was commented this, from after that I can do all the things, this header part, and in the JavaScript also, and in the CSS file also here. Now let me just come here, and here first of all I make a one section, give the section, use the section tag, and inside that just paste this section, and here I give the class name will be the I give the section, and this section, okay. And here inside this, see, we have this learn code. After that, this website name, for that, and this one. Let me just see screen. First of all, copy this, and this, in all things are in the center, and for that we can do here. And here you can see we have a, okay, we can cover this. Here I make inside that h1 tag and paste this. After that we can just copy this world, and here I can paste this. After that again I want to make this input box. For that, here I can do the div, and giving the class name will, this will be, I think I give the, this will be section, and here section top, this section top section, or we can give the section heading, and yeah, and this will be like that. And inside that I give the section heading, and this will be the search. And after that, here I can give the this input box. First of all, input type is equal to text, and inside that I can give the placeholder will be here like a search our tutorial. Let me just give the all things are capital, yeah. First let tutorials, and after that here I give the comma, and e dot g. After that give the HTML like that. And after that I want to give this icon. I was already added in the starting position, this font awesome. Only I want to give the class name, and for your convention, let me just go on the browser. Here you can use the font font awesome. Go on the font awesome website, and after that click on the icon here, search, type search, and press enter. After that click on the free version, and just copy this class name and paste inside this. Now let me just see all this content will be display here. And okay, this will be, see, all this content will be go on the bottom side when I click on this menu one. But like that I don't want to do. For that I can make in the here also, when I was click, yeah, every time this will be done. And for that we can do Let me just change something. This is nested navigation bar. Okay, this will be the, and just copy this one and come in the style.css, search this class name where is, and okay, not a style sheet, sorry. Here, go on the top section, 7th. Okay, here is a first. Here I want to give in the position relative. Okay, and this will be close. Here I want to give the position will be absolute. Let me just see, and width will be 100%. Okay, now this will be things are working, and our section, yeah, okay, these things are working properly now, and our all this will be appear here, and like that I want to make in the menu here. Let me just, for that, come in the index.html, and where is this is a nested navigation, and this is a menu. Just copy this mobile menu container, come in the style.css and just search this, and okay, this mobile menu not in the, yeah, available. Let me go on the up here, and here I was giving the position relative. Here I want to give the absolute, and like that, and after that I want to give the width will be 100%. Now see, our content will be in the above. Let me just here, when I was click, okay, now these things are working properly. Like that our content will be above. Okay, refresh and click. Okay, like that. Now I want to all this content will be in the center, and for that come in the bottom section. This is style and index.js. Let me again close all these things. Yeah, this is section, and here I want to just copy this in the every section tag. Just copy this here and come in the style.css. Here I give the every section tag has a display flags, not a, we can remove this, we make only section heading. Just copy this section heading, come in the style.css, paste here, and first of all I want to all the content in the center. For that, giving the display flags, justify content center, alignment item also center. Now see, all this content will be in the single, but I want to in the column wise. That's why I change the direction will be flags direction will be column. And now let me just see, yeah, and this width is approximately, let me reduce this also, yeah, this one, like that. I want to also give in the its height will be approximately 400, and giving the background color will be a variable name, this black color. Let me just show you. Okay, this is not let me increase this 500. Yeah, now see, this will be I think 480. Okay, now it's okay. And now I want to make all these tags will be like this bold, and for that in the heading section, heading section, I have a h1 tag. Let me just give this font size will be approximately 20 pixel. Let me just give this why this heading is not coming. Okay, this h1 I think 20 will be smaller, that's why we give the 25, 40, 45, or first of all we refresh this page. Yeah, now 45 is we give the 50. Yeah, now 50 will be done, and here I want to change the color. I get a white. Yeah, and after that I want to change this one. For that inside that I have this p tag. Let me just come here, and in the section heading I have a p tag, and here first of all giving the color will be the variable, and this will be the pink. Yeah, now here I want to also increase this font size. For that giving the font size will be approximately 18 pixel. Let me just come here and here. Okay, I give the 20, and giving the font weight will be 900, and all the content here I want to make a one thing. Every time see here in the top, here we have a little bit space. Like that I make a one container. Let me just wrap all this in the container. Div class name will be the section container, section underscore container, and here just cut here in the top bottom section. Press the shift alt F for the formatting purpose. Now here see, and for that just copy this section container, and here come again, and in the top section I do something like a giving the width will be approximately 90%, and margin 0, sorry, margin auto. Yeah, now see little bit space already coming. If I want to increase this 85, yeah, now okay for now, and like that I watch all these tags in the center. For that here I give the, and in the heading section I have a this section container. Let's copy this here. After that here paste this, and just cut this display flags, all these things, and paste here. Now see all this content, and also height also. Okay, now for now okay, and text will be center, text line center, like that. And by default this line has some margin and padding. Let me remove. Margin will be 0 here. Okay, and now I want to make this search bar. For that come here, just copy this search, and come in the here. Here I give the background color for the checking purpose, red. Come here, and here give this background width will be 100%. Yeah, now it will be cover, and its height will be 50% pixel, and border radius will be 50 pixel. Now this will be curve, and inside that I have a this icon here. I give the display flags, and justify content space between. Yeah, and inside that I want to all this item in the center. For that I can use the alignment item center. Now this all this content will be coming in the center side, And for now this will be done, and let me just design this input one, or we can design the first one, this icon. Let me just copy this, and inside that I have a I tag. Let me first of all giving the background color will be this green, and after that I give the height will be approximately 50 pixel. Yeah, and width will be approximately 100 pixel, and font size will be 25 pixel. We can increase also. Let me see here. Okay, this is not 100, approximately 50 pixel, little bit more. We give the 80. Yeah, 80 is or 75 is okay, and giving the border radius, top side will be not given, and this right side will be 50 pixel, and right bottom side also 50 pixel, and here 0. Now see, this will, and all this content will be in the center. For that give the display flags, justify content center, alignment item center, and after that I give the color will be white, or we can use the variable. Yeah, now see, this will be done. Now I want to design this input. Inside this I have a input tag. Let me just do this. Here let me give the height will be 100%. Yeah, and width also 100%. Yeah, now it will be done. And inside that I want to in the left side giving the border. For that give the, let me go little bit up, border radius from the this side 50 pixel, right side 0, right bottom side also 0, left side bottom side 50 pixel. Now see, this will coming, and here give the border will be none, outline will be none. Yeah, and now inside that I want to give the padding will be 0 from the top and bottom, and left right will be I give the 10 pixel, and like that here. Yeah, it will be, and giving the font size will be approximately 20 pixel. 20 pixel is much more. Let me give the 16. Yeah, 16 will be done, and here I want to little bit increase this 20. Yeah, now it will be done. We have a make this like that, and in the bottom section I want to add this more. I was forgotten. Let me just copy this again, and this will be the link that here I want to add this. Okay, anchor tag, and after that paste this here, and right click, open with new tab, copy this link and paste it here, close this, and here I want to check. Okay, this link is appearing now. Let me design this also. Come here, and inside that we have a anchor tag. For that coming here, anchor tag, this is a class name. By default here you can see uh, this color will be white. For that here I want to also giving the color will be white, and this font size will be 20 pixel. Let me show in the our section. Yeah, this will be not done. Why? Oh, I think I was in the style sheet. Okay, in the heading research section na, that's why. Let me go out of this. Yeah, now this coming, and here I give the 25. Yeah, 20 is okay, and giving the margin this one and this one, okay, little bit more, give the 22. Font weight will be 550, and after that I want to give this from the top and bottom side little bit margin from the top side will be approx top and bottom side 20 pixel, left right 0. Now let me just see, okay, little bit more, 30. Or because this is not in the display block, let me just give the display block. Yeah, now see, these both are proper, only one thing is remaining, this little bit font size of this text. For that we can do, where is a p tag, here little bit give the 22, yeah, 21. And this font will be the 550. For now it's fine, like that both are now done. And little bit scroll up, here see these types of a curve image, and for that let me just here click here, just I want to this image, okay. We can and just we can just go right click here, copy element and come here and come in the index.html file. After the this section, or we can here also paste this, let me just see, in our section this will be display. Yeah, now see this will be coming. Now this one done, let me just increase this. See, when I increase this width, see this going on the this width will be increases. For that we can do, let me just come here and here give the max width will be approximately here also I want to approximately 400, let me just give 400 pixel, and here also, okay, give the 500. Yeah, uh, okay, 550, 400 is okay, 500, yeah, 500 is okay. Only I want to increase the this all this font size. For that here I give the in the bottom section I use the some media query, here give the all, after that, and minimum width will be approximately I give the 500, or we can give the 800 also. And inside that I use the this, first of all I want to increase the font size of this both. Just copy this here, paste inside the media query, and here I want to give this, all things will be same, only I want to increase the font size. And for that I can give this approximately, this will be the 60 pixel, and here little bit more, 70, yeah, 70 will be done, and this font size will be, I think, and here I want to give the 40. 40 will be too much. 30. 28. Yeah, no, 25. Yeah, now see, both are done, and when I was hover on this icon, this color will be not be changing. Here you can see this color will be changing. Let me do also this, just copy this again, and here I want to give this hover, and color will be the background, and this will be the green. When I use hover in our section, see, this color will be now changing. Now we have completed this part. Let's go on the another section, and just come this and this HTML version, and for that I want to give this part. I want to make for that, come in the index dot here, and here I give the again create another section tag. Inside that I want to give this both. This one is not necessary, maybe. Yeah, these things I think not necessary for now, and we can do one thing here. Every time I want to give, okay, we can do this. Just reduce this screen, and first of all making this. Here I want to give the first of all h1 tag. This will contain HTML. After that I want to give the p tag, and here I give the language. We can copy all this, copy this, paste is here. After that I want to make a total 4 button, and here I can give the, I want to make out 2 content because I want to render here also. That's why just cut here and make one other div tag inside this, and here I want to give the section. Class name will be the section left, and here I give the div class name will be section right, and inside I want to insert 1 2 total 4 button. Let me just give this, and first one is a learn HTML. Second button will be video tutorial, and third one will be a HTML reference. Let me just give the reference, and last one with the get certificate. Here I can give the get certificate, certified, sorry, and this all will be the, where is coming, this all with the link. For that I can do one thing, just remove this btn, replace this all btn with anchor tag, and here, and just delete this, and here I want to give anchor a, and here I want to add the link h reference, and here I want to also add the h reference. Here I want to also give the h reference. Here I want to also give the h reference. Now for that, just click here, copy this link. Here I want to paste this. Let me just go video tutorial, copy this link, paste here again, and HTML reference, copy this again, paste here, go back and get certificate, copy this, paste here, and just close this. Now I was inserted all this here, and one more things I want to make. I think this will be the images, and okay, this will be the node images. This all the tags. For that I can first of all I want to make all this. Let me just first create our this section. After that we can do. Okay, here I was created, and this right section will be display when the screen size will be approximately minimum 800. Let me just see. Yeah, when this minimum size will be approximately 1000, then this right section will display. And for that, let me just here, let's first of all I want to make this, and for that I was created all this menu, and left section, here I give the section will be the class name will be the section HTML. Just copy this, come in the style.css, and here I give the comment. I can add the comment, and here this will be the HTML section, and inside that I have a this section left. Just copy this, and here because I want to give this section HTML background color, giving the background color will be the let me just use the where and pink color or some other color. I think some other color. Let me just copy the color code, select here, click, and checking the background copy colors. Just copy this, go on the top section. Yeah, I was not added. Let me just add this BS green light, paste this, just copy this variable name, come in the bottom, paste this. Let me just see this color will be same or not. I reduce this screen. Yeah, this color is same, and here you can see this top side, this coming margin. For that I can do one thing. Here I give the padding will be 0, and here also padding will be 0. Yeah, now see this will be gone, and this border, why this border is coming. Let me go here, right click, inspect, this will be the why this border is coming. I think I want to make a little bit up. Let me just here give the 1 pixel. Right click, inspect, and let me just see in the our section. Here section has a by default maybe some margin. Let me just in the top section where I was started, here I give the section tag has a margin will be 0 and padding also 0. Mm, Here I can do one thing. Little bit give the here and here. Okay, I give this width 300, height will be 70 pixel. I make you the 80 pixel, 80, 100, and here why this is 0. Okay, and here why this background color will be coming. This section come here, give the background color will be red. Okay, these things are done. I think I was given somewhere a padding little bit, that's why these are going little bit up. Let me first check in the this. Okay, I was giving 0. If I was remove this, then right click, go on here and select this tag. Maybe somewhere I was. Okay, now these things will be proper. this SVG margin 0, padding also 0. We can do one thing, or we can little bit up. For that, here I can give, and here give the position relative, and top will be approximately 3 pixel minus, and here give this 5 pixel. Yeah, now done. And remove this background color. Yeah, now these things are done. Let me just reduce this. Now see, we have covered this, and okay, now this will be proper. Let me just make all this like this one. Let me just come in the here. I give the height will be approximately 480 in our section, and this text color, just copy this here and come here. Inside that I have a h1. Give the font size will be approximately 30. I want to all these text will be in the center. For that, here give the display flags, justify content center, alignment item center, and flags direction column. Okay, and this actually 40 pixel, yeah, 50, 60, yeah, 60 is done. And this for that, let me just copy this again, and here inside that I have p tag, giving the font size will be 25. Okay, just no, 25 is not good. 22. Okay, and this font weight will be 900, and here by default margin will be 0, and this will be not 900, 550. Yeah, now this done. And now I want to make this all this btn. For that, inside that section left, just copy this here. I have a anchor tag, and giving the width will be approximately 100 pixel. Background color red for checking, and this all color will be same: green, yellow, black, pink. Let me just see. Green, yellow. Okay, we can do one by one color. Let me just padding will be the 5 pixel from top and bottom, or 10 pixel left and right 20 pixel. And this width will be, then font size will be the 20 pixel, and text decoration none, or we increase this. No, this will be done. 20 is done. 22 and 21 and font weight will be 550, color will be white or black. We give the by default black, and after that remove the text decoration. Okay, now I want to give in the one by one color. For that in the left section just copy this here. I can give the nth child. First will be the, or I has already make a background color, only I want to add. Just go on the little bit top section. Yeah, where is background? Yeah, here background color. Let me, first color will be the green. Let me just copy bg green and come here. Here I want to add the class name. Let me do this. We check. Yeah, yeah, now it's coming properly. And this width will be not getting. Let me first of all giving the all this background color. Just copy this here and here give the class name. Now black color. Let me just come here, copy this class name, come here and here give the class name will be this. After that pink color, copy this and pink color will be here. Giving the class name will be this one. Now see all this yeah, pink color will be not display. Yeah, now this will be done, and all this will be done. We can do one thing I was miss. Go on the bottom section. Here I can remove the this background color. Let me just see. Yeah, now see all these are exactly same, and here I can give this background width will be 200. uh, Let me go little bit up. Yeah, and here I can give the text alignment will be center. Okay, and border radius will be 50 pixel. After that in this between I can give the space also like here, and for giving the margin bottom 10 pixel. Okay, 10 not 30 pixel. Okay, now see as like this one we have a completed here, and let me reduce. Yeah, now we have a completed this. Now as like this I want to make our left panel also. Let me just reduce this first. Okay, this font will be good. This font size I think too much. Let me reduce 20. Yeah, now it's okay. And these things are done, and for now let me also make a right section, and this will be display only when the our screen size will be more than 1000. And for that here I want to use the media query. all, and give the minimum width will be 1000, and inside that otherwise it will be not to be display, and for that giving the display none, and here giving the display block. Like that we have make inside that I want to include this section for this one, and here I give the width will be approximately, first of all for the checking purpose let me just give the background color will be red. Come here, okay, this will be not be to be display. I was not giving the width, giving the width will be 500, and yeah, here is display, and this HTML section HTML I want to give the display flags. Okay, just copy this inside here I give the display flags. Let me just see all the content will be like that, and we can give the here display flag justify content center. Okay, and I want to give this also in the left channel, this width also. Let me just copy this, and this width will be left will be giving the max width, and this width will be if the screen size is more, and here give the and width will be 400 pixel, here also 400, this one 500, this one 400, and here give the display flags justify content center alignment item center. After that I can give where I was going display justify content space between, and here I give the padding from the 0 pixel from top and bottom, and left right will be approximately 50. I can increase 100. Yeah, now see it will be done as like this one, but only I want to increase the font size, so don't worry, we can increase this also, and this font size, and this will be 50/50. Okay, we can remove this padding, and here give the remove this background color and this, and here I give the width will be 50 pixel 50%, and here also 50%. Yeah, and this 50 is not good, we can give the 40. Yeah, and 10% will be space from the left and right, and for that we can give the justify content already given the space between, and this will I can give the space around, Now it's slowly done, and this box will be appear only when the screen size is more than 100. Let me just reduce. Okay, this will be gone. Now inside that I want to insert all this text like that. For that, let me just come here, and here I can give div. Class name will be editor, and inside that I can give the first top section. I want to give the heading like that. Heading, this heading will be HTML example, and after that I want to give this box, and div. Class name will be editor, editor, and here I give that this will be editor container. Inside that I want to insert all this, and for that let me just comment, and after that here I want to insert one button, and this button will be try it yourself. Now this will be done, and inside that I want to insert some code, like give the code and use the code, and inside that use the doc type and HTML. After that I give write the HTML. After that title, this title tutorial. After that I can give the body, yeah, and this will be all in the single, yeah, here, and here give the space. After that I use the h1 tag. Inside that I give the this each heading, and after here also I give the this will be I think p tag, yeah, this is paragraph, yeah. Now this will be done. Let me just see, yeah, see, all this will be appearing here, and all this code which will not, for that we can do here we can also use the pre, mm, we can use the, let me see which command I was forgot it.